Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add chapters to YouTube videos on phone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the YouTube Studio and you need to download that application. I already download. Then you need to click on open, and then you need to select the video that you want to add chapters. Okay, and then you need to click on the pencil icon. Okay, and open the description, and here you simply need to click on 0 semicolon 00 intro, and like this you can add chapters into your YouTube videos like I am doing. Okay, so here you can see that how easily I add chapters. Okay, once you done that, simply need to go back and click on save on the top right. So this is a process by which you can add chapters to your YouTube videos. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.